Hello everyone and welcome to OT Closet. This is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's make a game that will help you with your memory and attention. You need to get ruler, marker, scissors, cardboard box, and some stickers. Use glue to cover the front of the cereal box with construction paper. Use your finger to spread the glue all around. Use the ruler and the marker to divide the other side of the cardboard into 12 boxes. Use your scissors and cut them into squares. Use 2 stickers to make a match. You can use the paint dot as well. Use both hands and flip your cards over. When you find a match, you can leave them open. It's even more fun if you play this game with someone else. Collect all your cards together, place the rubber band around, and keep it safe until next time you want to play. Good job, guys! Let's open our Kinder Egg. It's a spinner! Thanks for playing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye!